it's me, Alegra. Dolls, I got a Focallure Sunrise palette in the mail. They were good enough to send it to me to try, and a lot of you beauties had been requesting me to review it, and so I was more than happy to let you guys know what I think about it and try it out. So that is exactly what I did today. So I created this look using the Sunrise palette, which is a dupe for the Huda Nude palette. So if you'd like to see how I put together this look using the Focallure Sunrise palette, and these are also Focallure lips, then just keep watching. And dolls, if you're not already subscribed, please subscribe. It helps me out so much, and definitely give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And that's pretty much it. So just keep watching to see my review and tutorial for the new Focallure products. So beauties, I have the Focallure palette here. This is the Sunrise Impressionism 16 pan eyeshadow palette. So this is my first time opening it, using it. Right off the bat, it is looking like an exact dupe for the Huda palette, I believe. So looking at this palette, it does look like a dupe for the Huda palette. I guess the new Nude palette that she has come out with, but there was a palette before that. I believe it had a different name. But this does look just like the new Nude palette from Huda. There's also a primer in here, I believe, and this one does have 16 eyeshadows, and the Huda has 18. So I've always wanted to try these Huda-like shades. I don't have a palette with these colors, so I'm going to dip right into that primer that they gave you. I did highlight my brow bone already, but I'm just going to apply this primer right on my lid. And I'm just taking a flat synthetic brush and just, you know, applying this all over. So it is very creamy and smooth, so that's really nice. It's just gliding right over my skin. So I'm going to take a tapered kind of synthetic brush, and I'm going to apply the lightest shade to my eye first. So I'm going to take Pure Nude, and I'm just going to use that to carve out further under my brow bone, because I do, like you guys know, I love a brightened brow. So this does have a hint of pink to it. So now I'm going to go in with my super fluffy brush, and I'm just going to take Gimme Mocha, and I'll just put that in my crease. So that's much more intense than I anticipated. I thought it would be a lot lighter, but it's actually really pretty. I just wasn't expecting it to be that rich. So I'm just going to take a clean fluffy brush and blend that out. So now I'm going to take this color Punch Pink, and I'm going to use a shorter haired fluffy brush, so it's not as fluffy, it's a little bit, so it'll come out more concentrated. And let's just put that right in our lower crease. Wow, that's super vibrant. These are very pigmented. Wow. Wow. I was totally not expecting this, guys. So now let's just deepen up our crease a bit more, and I'm just going to take Chocolate Martini. And so now I'm going to use my very slimmest fluffy brush. This is a Makeup Shack, just a really tiny brush. And let's just put that in our very lowest crease. So that is so pretty. I'm really shocked when they came out that rich and intense. So now I'm going to just lay down, I'm going to cut the crease and put on one of those glitters. So I'm going to go ahead and use their primer again. And I'm just going to carve out the front portion of my eye. And then let's just go right in with Sparkling Rose. It's just a multicolor shimmer. It looks like a lot of fun. And just break it up and then just tap it onto your brush, and then just quickly put it right on top of that primer. So I did go ahead and wet my brush now. It's really beautiful once you really wet your brush multiple times, like really saturate your brush. And I'm going to put on some MAC Coastal Riche. So guys, I'm gonna put on my lashes, and then I got some Focallure lips to try out, so I'll be right back. Oh, I'm back. That was such a nightmare, guys. So much has been going on here, you don't even know. You have no idea. Okay, let me just finish up and show you the lips, and then I'll tell you what has just transpired. So I'm just gonna take some of this Stila Stay All Day liquid liner. I also have here two Focallure lips. These are really nice looking nude lips, so I'm gonna try them out today. I've got here this lip pencil. This is in the shade Rose Taupe, and then I got a liquid lip here, and this is in the shade Pottery. So I'm just gonna try this lip out first, the lip pencil, but I can tell from the shade it's very light, and I do like to put on a lip liner first. Let me just go in with my one of my regular favorite lip liners. So my Cork lip liner. And then I'm gonna try out the lip crayon first. Well, that's an exact, wow, that's an exact match for that Cork lip liner, and I love that color. Wow, I absolutely love this, and I love how it's in a pencil form, so you can easily pop it on wherever you're at. That shade is flipping gorgeous. Oh my god. It's an exact match to my MAC Cork liner, which is like one of my favorite colors ever. So I'm just gonna clean up my edges. Wow, and it does have that teeth whitening effect, so I love that. So I guess just for this, I really wouldn't want to even take this off, but let me go ahead and just pop this matte lip on top just to see how it looks. Oh, that's gorgeous too, guys. Oh my god. That is a gorgeous, truly gorgeous shade. Wow. That again is Pottery 52. That's stunning. It's so gorgeous. I don't know how to describe it, but it's just absolutely gorgeous. And I have been so hooked on lip gloss, but that's so perfect on its own. I don't even feel like I need lip gloss. So dolls, this is the finished look. Now I have to give you my honest assessment of everything. These lips are absolutely amazing. Amazing. I truly would purchase these lips. I would go because they are really unique colors. So I love a unique color and I've never seen this color. It's just absolutely stunning. So I will be going ahead and ordering these for sure in the future. And I do have a coupon code for you dolls. So I will link below. If you want to use my code, you will get extra savings off of your order. So now with the eyeshadow palette, I was so surprised that the colors are so pigmented, not patchy, so rich. The only thing I have to tell you dolls now, when I use the glitters, I normally do go in with a concealer. I usually do use my Tarte Shape Tape to cut the crease. If you're going to try this palette, recreate this look, or just do any of your own looks at home, I would not recommend using that primer in the palette as your base for these glitters. You definitely have to do some work to get those shimmer colors to work for you. I had to do so much work today to get these to stay, to get them to not, they were actually like falling apart on my eyes. So there is a lot of work involved. In the future, I would definitely try using my Tarte Shape Tape, which is what I normally do to cut my crease, and that might have made a huge difference. I'll do another video if you guys want, and I'll do that in another video. Today I used their primer, and I'm not sure if that was what caused the issue. Another thing, if you were going to use these shimmer shadows in this palette, either use a concealer like Tarte Shape Tape, or I would use a glitter glue as a base first. You need something very, very, very strong to hold these glitters in place. I'm not saying that you shouldn't get this palette though, because the colors were really stunning, so creamy, so gorgeous. This palette is only $16.99. It is on sale right now, but I believe it is normally $25, but right now it's on sale for $16. And then again, if you use the coupon, you'll get an additional savings. So this palette is a really great dupe for the Huda, which is $65 if you can get the shimmers to work for you. And I believe you can get them to work for you, but like I said, you probably want to go lay down a layer of glitter glue or a very strong concealer to cut your crease, I would not recommend doing what I did today, which was, like I said, I used their primer. I won't do that again, ever. But other than that, the colors blended together so gorgeously. They are stunning colors. So like I said, just lay down a glitter glue first, wet your brush with your beauty mist every time you apply the shimmer shades to your eye to get that effect. I will definitely do another look, guys. I actually am hoping to get the Huda new Nude palette, and then I'll let you know how they compare together. Like I said, that palette is $65, so it is very pricey, but I'm hoping to get it, and then I can maybe do another look and you know, do a side-by-side comparison maybe. That would be really fun. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. Definitely, if you want to order from Focallure, I have a coupon code that I'm going to list below. And so you can definitely use that code to take advantage of extra savings. I don't make any money off the code. It's just for you guys as a coupon and a promo code to get extra savings. So thank you guys so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I hope you're all doing good. Let me know in the comments what you think of this look. So I love you guys so much. I hope you're all doing good, and I'll see you soon. Bye!